Good evening, IMT. And the biggest challenge for me right now is to stand straight. But whatever, like, it's been 4 hours, I don't know. I've been drinking. And IMT is the best place to come to do whatever. And like, I'm very happy that I've come back to IMT with a very good and very happy news. 80% of the guys would not know me
Hello.
except the housekeeping and home guards. But the senior batch would certainly know me. The happy news is that last time at the farewell I told you about demise of my friend Tomar. But I'm extremely happy to announce that Tomar's mom at the age of 51 has conceived and she has given birth to two twins. So please, from bottom of my heart, give it big for Tomar. The only reason I've come back to IMT is just to announce that Tomar is back. And like, I can see there's no senior badge. Let it be. I had a lot of things that I mean I have a bad memory. I don't know. I seriously wanted to jot down the things and to speak. But my friends Ashish Gulati, Shantanu Kelkar has come with me. Shabari Mam, I'm sorry. He's also my very good friend. And like, it's quite possible that, I'm bugging you, but I don't give a damn about that. That has been my regular statement and, I would not defy that. I'm extremely grateful to IMT management, the junior batch, all the people who are listening to me, to listen to me. And, once again, I would request you to give a very big hand for Tomar. He has come back. My very close friends, Chirag God, Siddharth Thakur, Dinesh Chauhan, could not make it because of, Zizi, Kumar Ravi Anand could not. Let me speak here. Please don't take him seriously. He is very fond of singing. That is the only reason he has come back to IMT. And last night when we were traveling in train together, I just switched off the lights and he started singing. So I would request Ashish Gulati to come here and sing some good songs for you. From bottom of my heart, he's a very good singer. And once again, it's a very good feeling to come back to IMT. There are pros and cons to everything. Pros, talking about coming back to IMT, are that you meet older people, you meet the management, you meet the faculty. Cons, obviously, the ones which I realized is that there is no interaction between senior and junior batch, which is very bad. I had, who said this? Please don't talk rubbish here. Whatever you are. No, I don't give a damn here. Absolutely serious. See, we had 187 seniors, and every one of us, we knew each one of them, everybody's profile, and we had a very good interaction. And that is what MBA is all about. It is not bloody, studying about OB, QT, BD, Salman, Ahmed, Banj, whatever. Yeah. We have been studying here. Most of you would be engineers, I can understand. But being in a residential B school, it's all about interaction with the seniors, having fun, bakchodi, daru, or whatever. I would not take much of your time, and I just forgot, they're very good-looking females in junior batch, which we missed out here, unfortunately. Although I could not do anything, with my batch also, but whatever. So, now I would like to request Ashish Gulati. He's a very good singer. Don't you make fun of him. And, he's a very good singer. and I request him to sing a few songs for you. Thanks a lot. Yeah.